Morning students, hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your word fees. Dear students, you are watching Classic Science chapter number 9, Movement in Animal part 3. So let's start, dear students. Movement in cockroach. Cockroaches can walk, swim and fly. Dear students, a cockroach has no bones but has an external skeleton that protects its body. A cockroach has 6 jointed legs and 2 pair of wings. Dear student, cockroach have 3 pair of jointed legs or the 6 legs and a strong muscles that pull to these legs. This enables them to walk and run. Their feet have a very tiny claws that help to climb on the walls. Cockroaches have a 2 pair of wings, but they cannot fly only the short distance. But they can not fly so far, dear students. They can fly only the short distance. Muscles that are attached to the legs and the wings help to cockroach to move. They can walk and climb with the help of their legs and the leg muscles. Dear students, they fly short distance with the help of the wings and the wings muscles. Dear students, I will show you the pictures of movement in the cockroaches walking. Dear students, the outer hard exoskeleton of the cockroach is made up of the different unit which help in the movement of the body. Cockroach have a pair of antennae, dear students, also to smell thing, and the pair of sericea that can detect when they are detect even very slight movement also. So dear students, now come to the movement in fish. Dear students, movement in fish. Fish are vertebrates that live in water and the natural move in it. Observe the boat-shaped body of the fish, that is figure number 9.4. I will show you, dear students. Just see the body shape, boat-shaped body. Dear students, the body of the fish is broad in the middle and narrow at the two ends, just like a boat. Have shape, and that shape is called the streamline shape. Dear students, that is narrow at the end and the middle, that is broad in the middle and narrow at the two ends. That shape is called, dear student, that boat like shape is called a streamline shape. Dear student, the fish shape of the body is a streamline. This type of body shapes help to fish overcome the resistance offered by the water and enables the fish to swim through the water. Dear students, this help fish to cut through the water easily. The fish has the inner skeletons which is attached to strong muscles. The fin to have a skeletons and muscular supports. The fish swims by the curving its body and the tail's support. The fish swims by curving its body and the tail muscles. These curves cause the body to twist, the turns pushing and fish forward. The fish changes its direction, balance and swim forward with the help of its fin. The special structure is called what? That is swim bladder. Dear student, the fish moves in the sideway wave-like manner. This movement, dear student, is made possible by the strong muscles attached the flexible backbone. During the swimming, the front part of the body curves to one side. The tail parts move towards the opposite side. The fish form a curve or the loop, as dear students. Then quickly the body and the tail curved to the other side. Dear student, this produces a jerk and push the body forward. A series of such jerk make a fish swim ahead. Now, dear student, a special structure is called swim bladder is present in the most fish. It can be filled in with the air and emptied out to move up and down in the water. Dear students, the fin present on the body help in the movement. The fin on the body of the fishes help to maintain the balance of the body and the direction while the swimming. They also act as a breakers, which when the fish needs to stop on the wave. Dear students, the tail fin act like a rubber, like a dear student rudder that help the fish to change the direction while swimming. So in this way, dear students, the movement in the fish happens. Now come to the movement in the bird. Dear students, birds fly in the air and walk on the ground. Some birds cannot, and some birds can only walk, they cannot fly. Birds such as duck, swan can swim, while there are some birds such as ostrich, kiwi, they cannot fly, dear student, but they are good runner. The birds that can fly have a hollow, lightweight bones, wings, feathers, and specialized muscles attached to the wings. With the help of them, they fly. Dear students, the birds can fly because of the following features: the forelimbs modified into the wings which help them fly, and hind limbs are used for walking and preaching. Dear students, they have also streamlined body to cut the air current while flying. Their bones are very hollow and they makes their body light. They have a powerful chest muscles which help the flapping their wings during the flight. Now, wings feathers are specialized muscles attached to a wings help them fly. The body shape the fly birds is streamlined. Earlier I told you, which help them to move against the direction of the winds. Birds shows the two type of flight, that is flapping and the gliding movement. So dear students, hope you understood these paragraph. Dear students, find out, observe the movement of the fish in the fish tank, or the watch video of the fish swimming in the fish tanks with fin help to change the direction, which fins have help in to move forwards. You have to find out. Now known the fact, ostrich is the fastest running bird in the world. It can run up 97.5 km per hour. So dear students, hope you understood. You have to read these paragraph thoroughly. Thank you students. Stay home, be safe.